Hello guys, how you guys doing? Hope everybody's doing well. Welcome to my channel and hit the subscribe button and the like button because in this channel we're gonna be talking about apps that can be used on iPhone, especially on iPhone apps that you cannot get. So in this video I'm gonna be explaining you how you can download music free, any type of music from YouTube or any type of website to your iPhone for free. So we're gonna talk about Aloha Music, Aloha app. This is actually the app that you can download music from. So this app you can find it on Apple Store, on the App Store right here. So I just downloaded. So now let's open it up. So you're gonna go to the main page actually right here. So home page, you have news page right here. You have download page tab. You can create files and put your files inside. So we're gonna go to the home page right here and tap google.com because we're gonna want to download music. So we're gonna tap MP3 choose, and it's gonna take you right to this page. Click the first link, and here you can search any type of music you want. It's gonna most likely it's gonna take you from YouTube. Let's download Sky in the sky. NC NCI, so which is the music playing in the background right now. Sky High right here. Let's download this movie, this music right here. You can play it and listen to it before you download it, but you can just download. So it's gonna load it up, convert the video into MP3. So you're just gonna wait, give it a couple seconds, depending on your speed of your internet. You can save it to iCloud, and then you wanna hit download. It's gonna show you where you wanna put it. Let's just put it to my file, iOS, and then it's gonna be downloaded. You see the little icon right there. Then you're gonna go to your iOS file. You're gonna see the music is downloading. Gonna give it a couple seconds, and then you open it. It's playing right there. You can adjust it, and then you can go back to your home screen and close it. And once you download this is offline, and that's it. And thank you for watching. This was all. If you like this content, please subscribe and hit the like button. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Peace.